Cougs, I'm Ziri.
And Maddie, back to kick off the spring semester for the first episode of In the Loop for 2023. We want to give you all a warm welcome back and wish everyone a happy new year.
Now, let's dive right in and see what this first week of the semester has in store for us. Let's start the week with the pizza party. On Tuesday, head over to the Valencia School of Communication and enjoy free pizza from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Check out the UH Farmers Market on Wednesday from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. on the north lawn of the Student Center. Students, faculty, and staff will have the opportunity to buy one-of-a-kind items from local small business owners selling handmade artisan wares, including clothing, accessories, beauty products, home decor, food, and more. Cougar Cash will be accepted for payment. Are you a pre-dental or pre-med student? The Health Professions Advisory Committee's Personal Statement Workshop is designed to help pre-medical and pre-dental students strengthen and develop their personal statement drafts. Workshop participants should share a rough draft of their personal statement that is substantial enough to receive feedback. RSVP is required for this workshop. Use the link provided to RSVP.
Did you guys know that the men's basketball team is the #1 in the nation? Cheer the team on to victory this Sunday at 2 p.m. as they take on Temple in the Resina Center. Be sure to claim your free ticket via the UH Go app. Now it's time for a reminder. This week's reminder focuses on health and well-being. Feeling sick? If you have any symptoms that aren't showing any signs of clearing up within a few days, you may need to make an appointment with the Student Health Center or your doctor. The Student Health Center offers an on-campus pharmacy and non-emergent outpatient medical care, as well as several specialty clinics. To learn more about the services, use the link provided here. That's it for this week, Cougs. I'm Ziri.
And I'm Maddie, keeping you in the loop.
Bye.